Welcome to class. Last night, I waited for students to show up, and because nobody showed up, I decided not to wait any longer. So tonight I'm going to do it a little bit differently. Even though nobody's here, I'll just go ahead and start record. Tonight, we're going to go over the assignment for week 1. So we talked about the discussion. I think that's going along well. I don't have any questions from people about this discussion. And I'll respond to your quotes. Tonight's the deadline. I just want to point out that it's very important to have an APA formatted reference like that. That one's good. There's no reference here, so that's missing a reference. And when you're missing a reference on a quote, see, this is properly annotated here. The reference is cited. I think that might be a little. Oh, there it is, right there. So this is the citation. There's points for that, and then there's points for the reference that correlates with that particular citation. If it's missing, you lose points in your discussion post. So here we've got the APA reference, and there's the. Looks like there's a typo right there. I wonder why. I don't know. I don't think that's the name of the author, but it might be. It's lowercase. I'm not sure. Anyway, but this is a citation. It's almost accurate. I think that it might have a period. It's not supposed to be there or there, but it should be after like that. This is a good APA formatted reference. And then there's the citation. That's good. Good. By the way, I count the words. There's got to be a minimum of 150, and so that works out. Those look like they're long enough. This looks long enough, and also it's good to indent the paragraphs. If you can, try to do more than just one paragraph. This has just one paragraph, so the goal is to have a couple paragraphs there. This looks like a properly APA formatted reference there and there. Now I don't see, oh, there it is. Good. Citation, that's great. Citation, very good. See it right there? That's called the citation. Reference is down here. Might want to add a section called reference right there, Roderick. You know, like this, or that, or that. Awesome. Okay, that's probably good enough. Okay, this here, Jerry, you got to be really careful because this is not an APA formatted reference right there. So if you need help in an APA formatted reference, I can help you with that, or someone in the tutoring center can help you with that. And just a couple things to be careful about is the formatting here. So you need the APA formatted reference. You also need the citation. Be a little bit careful here because I can see that there's punctuation problems. And so what I recommend is you take your text and to move it into Microsoft Word and do a grammar and spell check. So I'll do a count on that. Now that's too short. That you'll lose points there for being short. Hopefully you don't mind me giving you the feedback, but actually hopefully everybody will benefit from this. So don't forget to capitalize the I, and there's some ideas for you, okay? All right. And here we're missing a reference. So hopefully you don't mind. Oh, this looks like a reply. Okay, so don't worry about that. You don't need to have references. Sorry about that, Roy. There we go. There's Roy's. So that's perfect. APA formatted. Awesome. And there you go. There's your citation. Very good. Great, great. It's got some paragraphs, which is great. Might want to, in the future, just indent the first line. It's kind of, okay, there, it's good. Good, good. Good job, Amanda. You got your APA formatted references. Very good. Excellent. Don't forget to add your citations, Amanda, up here in this area. Oh, look at that. You did that. Oh, yeah. Okay. Forget I said that. You're set. Pretty sure that this might be a APA formatted reference with a link. Really quick, I'll show you how you can quickly find out. You can actually, in Microsoft Word, I'll show you guys this really quick. It's a little tip. In Microsoft Word, you can go into a thing called click on View, and then Citations. And here you have what is called Citation Manager. And here's the style you want, APA. You click plus, and this gives you a form to fill out. So here would be document from a website. So let's just put in some information, author of text. Now you would put the real author's name. I'm just going to put, like, something. Maybe I'll just go ahead and click edit and just put real names in there. Click add. Then the name of the web page. This here would be the, if we had a website, I'll show you really quickly here. Let's see. I'm just going to bring this up really quick. All right, so welcome, Lisa. Just going over the discussion right now and giving feedback to students. So here's an example of for example, let's say this is something we want to quote. So in Microsoft Word, you choose document from website, or even just website is fine, either way. And then the name of the web page, that actually is the title right up in here. See that? So hopefully if I mouse over, we'll see the full title. There it is. All right, Mike Davidson, how to properly apply for a design position. I don't think you can copy that text. You're gonna have to, like, well, actually, the title just so happens, the title in the document just so happens to correlate with the title of the page. But this is normally where you get the title of the page. Right up here, you mouse over the tab, and it'll pop up. It just happens to also be here. So let's grab it there. Name of the web page right there. Now, let's go back to the fellow. So Mike Industries, is that it? Well, Mike Davidson. There it is. That, I believe, is the author of this, Mike Davidson. So back in, by the way, does everybody know how to do a 4-finger push? In fact, I'll show you one more tip. You can take your open application